Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to 502 Model College for Girls. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. For the students of class 6th, this is your first monthly assignment for subject computer. Before starting the assignment, I will give you some instructions and students follow these instructions to complete your home assignment. Solve your assignment on narrow-lined loose sheets. Write down your name, class, subject on the top of your assignment. Draw margin line with blue color. Use black fountain pen to write questions and blue for its answer and solutions. Do neat work and avoid unnecessary cutting. If required, then use ink remover. Complete and submit your assignment to the college by 17th of September 2020. Question 1. Part A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The term hard copy means data that can be dash full stop. Number 2. And dash provides a bridge between the application software and the dash. Number 3. Computer viruses can dash the computer's data. Number 4. Dash is the most common operating system. Number 5. Antiviruses can dash a computer from dash. Number 6. Input and output cards are also called expansion cards and dash. 7. An input-output card is placed on dash in one of the expansion slots. Number 8. Animation is the dash of graphics. Number 9. Hardware and dash make up a computer. Number 10. There are dash main types of software. Number 11. In 1981, dash was introduced. Number 12. GUI stands for dash. Number 13. Any device which dash data is called a storage device. Number 14. A spreadsheet program is a and dash software. Number 15. A keyboard is a and dash device. Then question number 1, part B. Write whether the statement is true or false. Number 1. An operating system is must for a computer. Number 2. Windows is the most widely used operating system. Number 3. DOS provides a multitasking environment. Number 4. Windows is a command-based operating system. Number 5. The operating system helps in running different application software. Question 1, part C. Match the meanings. Column A. Backup, animation, database, computer virus, hard copy. Column B. Information, printed paper, bug, cartoon, duplicate. Now question number 2. Write answers of the following questions. Question number 1. What is a computer? Number 2, define hardware. Number 3, how many types of software? Number 4, why do we need application software? Number 5, write down the main functions or features of operating system. Number 6, give any 5 examples of computer hardware and software. Number 7, what is input devices? What is an input devices? Number 8, define output devices. Number 9, explain the need for an operating system. Number 10, define computer virus. Number 11, write a note on backup. Number 12, what is a database program used for? Number 13, define peripheral. Number 14, define soft copy. Number 15, what is storage devices? Number 16, what is an antivirus? Number 17, define processing devices. Number 18, what do you mean by hard copy? Number 19, what is the advantage to making backup? Number 20, give any 4 examples of peripherals. Students, I hope you understand the assignment. Students, first complete question 1, then complete question number 2. Student, maintain your work neatly to make your home assignment presentable and complete your assignment and submit it on September 17, 2020. Take care. Allah Hafiz.